Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a food review on Amity Hall. It's near Uptown, near Central Park where I'm at right now. I may have to move inside because I'm outside right now and it's starting to rain, so bear with me. So I wanted to say the customer service was awesome. Yes, I am inspired by Keith Lee. I'm someone that travels a lot and does a lot of food, a lot of different food as well. So why not share the great places I've been to help people out the same way he is. I mean, I'm not as big, but hey, I want to get the food out there because I love great food. But I'm going to be trying a new spot I haven't tried before, Amity Hall. It is off Amsterdam. The service was great. I didn't wait long for them to serve me. I ordered to go. They just let me order to go. I didn't know if they did or not, and I asked, and they let me, and it was great. So they're a great, accommodating place as far as that, and friendly. Even when I was sitting there waiting for the food that I ordered, the girl asked me if I wanted drink or anything, and that was great. So thank you again. So let's get to what I ordered. I ordered the train wreck fries, and I added steak, but I took off the jalapenos and the peppercorn ranch that they offered. So if you like it original, I would have suggest getting it original, but I added steak because I love carne asada fries. So let's see what we got. All right, it came in the bag. It's folded. That's right. It's folded like this. A little note, everything all nice. I know it's raining, so let's get it out of the bag. Okay. I'm gonna have to get my camera on this one. Right. We got a little sauce to go with it. Okay. Let me open them. Wow, do you see all that steam come out? Let me show you guys. Look at these fries. Let's dig in, okay? Let's just dig right in. Let's see if I got a fork. Dun, dun, dun. I wasn't given a fork. I'll be right back. All right, guys, back with the fork. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I kept the scallions and everything else on there. The steak is huge. Like, look at this piece of steak. It's like huge, well cooked too. Like not cooked all the way to where it's like too cooked. So let's try to not be too embarrassing with you guys. Okay, the steak is off the hook. The fries are, for it not being very much things in. Wow, it's delicious. Let's try it with this sauce. I don't know what the sauce is, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay. Fries, I love it with the scallions. The steak could be cut like a little smaller, like especially when you serve it with fries. Like I'm gonna tear this piece off like a Rudy. Like the steak could be smaller. Other than that, I don't really have any complaints. So if you want the normal version with the peppercorn ranch as well as the jalapenos, you'll probably enjoy it. So let's try what this is. What is this? It's probably ketchup. It's ketchup. I like the steak. The steak is great. I love the flavor. Oh, it also has bacon. Okay, so my plate cost me $21.79. I gave them $23 to keep the tip. I was ordering to go. The normal price, because they're train wreck fries without steak, is usually $14. Yes, they're expensive, but it's a great place if you're like visiting New York or you just want to try some loaded fries. There's not a lot of loaded fries here that I've seen near Central Park, at least. They're usually down by Times Square. So I really enjoyed this. I really do. I can't wait to do more. I'm so sad I didn't get to the Taste of Heaven because that was what I really wanted to try, but I'll have to try it in January when I'm back in New York. So thank you, Amity Hall. It was so great. Yes. So my rating for this dish that I have right here, this would be a 8 out of 10 because I really love the steak. Okay. If it wasn't without the steak, it'd be a 7 out of 10 for me, because I do like carne asada fries with like guacamole and things like that and salsa. So if it had a little bit more, that made it like extra, but that steak is dynamite. Thank you, Amity Hall, for the great service and the great food. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so, so much.